Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can host your own WordPress site on Hostinger, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a WordPress site. Just create an account and create a new site. I would recommend you sign up and subscribe to the $25 a month business plan so that you have access to all the needed functionalities of WordPress that you can access for your site. And then once you're done with that, then you can go over into Hostinger and purchase a domain. Then you can connect that domain to WordPress very easily. Now, it should be somewhere around here. I forgot where exactly this is. There we go. You just need to go into domains under hosting, and you can add a domain that you already own. Use a domain I already own and just enter your domain on Hostinger. But other than that, what you need to do is you need to add a website to your hosting plan on Hostinger first. And then you need to create the login details, which you need to do by selecting the preferred language, then specify the email address, and then create a password. Then you need to select the website type, and then you need to select a theme as well. Pretty much just build your site on WordPress itself. Then you can also select the plugins. You can also use the AI text generator if you want, and you can just name your website whatever you want as well through your domain or subdomain for your WordPress website. And then you just need to access the WordPress dashboard through the admin panel on H panel, and then that should be pretty much it. And you can see all your websites there and do any other things that you might need to do to connect it. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.